Hey, I'm Drew Dodds, and I work as a product manager here at RudderStack. And today I am excited to announce a new integration with Snowflake. That is our Snowflake streaming destination. This integration uses Snowflake's Snowpipe streaming API to load data into Snowflake in continuous microbatches, making your payloads coming from your sources almost immediately available in near real time. To show you how fast this connection is, as well as how fast it is to hook it up, I'm going to take you to the RudderStack web app here and show you how you can add this new destination. So within the web app, you can see we are currently on the connection screen. You could also go into the destination screen to set this up as well. I'm going to set this up from here. So I'm going to come over here to the right side, the destination side, and simply add new destination. And I'm going to look for the new Snowflake streaming destination. Currently, this is an open beta, so we are going to have to enable a feature flag for you so that you can see it. So if you want to enable this new destination, you can reach out to us and we can enable it for you. I'm going to name this simply Snowflake streaming. That makes sense. Click continue. I'm going to add our sources that we're going to be sending events to this destination. And then I'm going to enter in, this is where you enter in your credentials just like you would if you were using the traditional Snowflake batch destination. So I'm going to actually do that off screen, so I'm going to pause it here for a second. Once you've entered in your Snowflake credentials, you will click continue and that'll verify the connection. Once it's verified, it's going to take you into the destination that you just created, in which case you can modify or configure anything here. And also you will be able to start seeing some metrics around your events after it starts reporting within our services. So to show you how quick this integration is, I'm going to actually go back to the connection screen here and let me go in. I'm going to go into one of our sources here that's sending live events. And let's take a look at our live events viewer here. Okay, we already have some events coming through. I'm actually going to click on this page event here. So let's take a look at this payload. So here's the payload coming through our source. And as you can see on this payload, we actually have an anonymous ID, which is going to be a cookie ID that belongs to whatever user performed this action within our specific source. So I'm going to grab this anonymous ID here and come into Snowflake and go into our database in our table, our specific table where this data is landing, our target table. So let me filter for this ID here. And what we'll be able to see is immediately that data, that record is now available. That payload is flattened and turned into a record and inserted into our target table within our warehouse. So just to remind you what happened here, immediately after that event was fired within our source, it was sent to our service, and then we immediately forward that to Snowflake. And through this new integration, we insert it directly into Snowflake immediately, and it is available for whatever real-time use cases you may have. So on top of latency improvements that we just observed here, Snowflake streaming can also reduce data ingestion costs compared to high-frequency batch loads. So we are excited to launch this new integration. This integration is available to all RudderStack customers. It's currently in beta, so just reach out to us so that if you want to use it, we can enable it for you. Thanks.